technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Well, viewers, Kolkata is counting down to Durga Puja, but rain gods have other plans for the city because overnight rains have thrown life out of gear completely. Roads have been inundated, streets waterlogged, homes have been flooded. There have been multiple reports of power outages being reported in several areas. And in the latest, 6 rain-related deaths have also been reported in the city. The IMD has issued a yellow alert for Kolkata and other parts of South Bengal. The metro rail services have also been impacted due to the heavy rains. The IMD warning covers heavy rain, thunderstorms and gusty winds up to 40 kilometers per hour over the next few days. The visuals on the screens show you how normal life has been thrown out of gear. People were seen wading through knee-deep waters. In fact, idol makers were also seen taking precautions, many even covering their idols with plastic sheets and shifting them indoors. Civic authorities have also warned of waterlogging and traffic disruptions if the heavy showers are continuing. So the heavy showers have continued and it has thrown normal life out of gear in Kolkata. You can see in the visuals water also entering the homes, and this is during the Durga Puja that the rains have completely changed plans for people in Kolkata. In fact, the infrastructure has crumbled completely, Kolkata being brought to its knees, with multiple reports suggesting that power outages have also been reported. We have breaking updates now coming in. After heavy rains in Kolkata now, more breaking updates coming in on the situation on the ground. 6 people have died in Kolkata amidst the heavy waterlogging. 4 deaths have been reported from the Netaji Nagar area. What's even more shocking is that the dead bodies are said to be floating and it is yet to be retrieved, and live wires are still lying in the waterlogged area. Extremely concerning, frightening situation there. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, this is extremely shocking. 6 lives have been lost and authorities are nowhere to be seen. In fact, we're told that even live wires are dangerously dangling there. What's the situation?
Absolutely. As you see that I am already standing in one of the waterlogged areas, the areas which has not been waterlogged over the span of 30 years that the Kolkata people says to be, that they have not witnessed this kind of rain. At those areas also waterlogging situations have raised to uncertainties. This waterlogging system may take more 3 or 4 hours to go down if the log gate opens in the correct time, but as the way in this 5 hours turbulent rain, the way the city has been waterlogged is something frightening, where we see public transports have already been slashed off and already 6 deaths have been counted for. We also see that the Netaji Nagar, there has been death in Netaji Nagar. There is also death in the Kalikapur areas and also in various parts of Tollygunge areas, and all of this is due to electrocution that we understand from here. But at this moment, both the Kalikapur and the Netaji Nagar area complains to be of just touching the wire pole which electrocuted them and was led to an instant death. And that is the situation where we are standing. You can also, if I turn my camera, you can see that how the cable wires at this point is also are falling down. So this is actually a crisis period that the government should be taking up in a serious notion, but there has been no steps as of now taken on this. Even the bodies are moved as the fastest, but we are given to understand, that this process of water logging to come down will only happen if the KMC in the fastest way open the log gates, even though the area councillor out here in 106 is working, and we understand that the process is trying to be worked up fast, but also to understand that since Durga Puja season already started, today is the first day, marking that also it is a highly thinking aspect for the pandals, the makers, the organizers, as many of them complain that water has been logged near their pandals, and not only that, but also some complaints of waterlogging inside. If I can show you the more visuals, how it is an incurring problem for everyone, for daily commuters out here, as public transports also get cancelled. Many has been slashed off. Office goers are facing serious issues in traveling to their paths, and also at what Met Department issues a notice that from 23rd, which is today, till 28th, there will be this turbulent rainfall and it does not end here. But from the 8th day of Puja, which is Ashtami, the rain is also going to continue till Lakshmi Puja. The low pressure belt area is going to develop into something into more intense, which is going to cause a rainfall throughout the Puja season that we are given to understand. And of more visuals, if you see, it is an ongoing problem out here in Kolkata, which the people complain that in 30 or 40 years that they have not faced such a waterlogging situation in a rain of 5 hours, and this is recording the highest rainfall also that we understand is of 237 centimeters that the city has recorded till 5 a.m. in the morning. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Hridita, do stay with us. In fact, people in Kolkata have also spoken up and have expressed dismay at the situation of the infrastructure in the city. Let's listen in.
दिक्कत तो खूब है, अभी काम नहीं है, घर में बीवी काम पे नहीं गया, वो सिग्नल में एक आदमी मर गया खाने लग के, इसलिए अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, सामने एक तो दुकान में पानी घुस गया, उसको निकलने
तो ऑफिस में नहीं जा पाया ना आज। और यहाँ पे सामने जो बस स्टैंड है वहाँ पे वन पर्सन हैज डाइड। अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये एक बैड इंसिडेंट हो चुका है एंड देयर इज नो बस अवेलेबल, नो ऑटोज, और मैक्सिमम ट्रेन आर ऑल कैंसिल्ड।
बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है, घर में पानी घुस गया, घर में आने जाने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बहुत रास्ते में कुछ दुकान में जाने के प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, पानी पूरा घर में घुस गया।
रोड में हम तो देखते हैं तो इतना पानी कोई देखा नहीं, ठीक है। ये जो पानी हो रहा है, बहुत पानी हो रहा है, रात भर में तो पानी हो रहा है, पूरा रास्ता में पूरा बंद हो गया, गाड़ी उड़ी कोई चलने नहीं सके।
दिक्कत तो हो ही रहा है, ऐसा तो 30 साल में नहीं हुआ। और वाटर लॉगिंग के लिए तो सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बाजार बंद है और ट्रांसपोर्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो दिक्कत तो हो ही रहा है।
So, Hridita, you spoke to many of the residents there as well who spoke about the inconvenience that they are facing because of the heavy rains and because of the severe waterlogging in the city. What are the measures that are being taken up by the administration?
Absolutely, as we understand that we have already spoken to many people, and we have also spoken to the supervisor of this area, who has said that as soon it will take more 3 to 4 hours for the entire city's water to come down, because fastest measures are being taken to open out the log gate out here. And also the government is taking precautions to remove water at the fastest from the identified houses who have been smuggled under the water. Also, there's no promises made out on the transportation portions, as many of the trains have also gotten cancelled, and public transport also says to say a no today morning to Kolkata people. But to understand that the administration, the KMC, is looking after taking the fastest measures possible by identifying houses that are already underwater, and also they are taking measures to prevent this puja pandals where waterlogging has taken serious action by demolizing their artworks in the pandals. So this is the fastest report, but to understand it will take more 3 to 4 hours if the rain does not happen, then the water to go down here in the city of Kolkata.
Okay, all right. People have spoken up and measures are not being taken. Some of the areas, like you mentioned, also have live wires dangling dangerously, and a lot of residents have also spoken up. Hridita, this is also during the Durga Puja time, so this is the time of festivities. Usually around this time, we see that the celebrations have already begun, so it's also coming at a time like this. And over the next few days as well, the IMD has said that the heavy rains could continue in West Bengal, in Kolkata.
The visual, you can see that water has actually entered a lot of people's house. This is a visual where water has entered. There are garages which are underwater. If we show you more visuals, that garages of the area has already come underwater. So you understand that the entire area has risen problem, and this is not a problem of one area but various.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.